Pangarap nyo bang magkaroon ng sariling condo unit sa abot kayang halaga? Reservation fee for only 10,000 pesos and for as low as 19,000 pesos monthly ay meron ka ng 2-bedroom unit. Plus, may outdoor amenities din like playground, workout area, lagoon, convenience store, cafe at marami pang iba. So ano, tara! What's good guys? It's Eddie and Rosie back at it again with another mini vlog. Mga Vevs, maiba tayo ngayon. Hindi tayo magsa-staycation kung hindi magtitingin tayo ng murang kondo dito lang sa Ortigas. And we are here. Welcome to Urban Deca Homes. So dito pa lang ang ganda na ng dadaanan, diba? At saka guys, ang daming buildings. Under construction pa yung iba, but total of 22 buildings to mga Vevs. So simulan na agad natin yung tour. Alam nyo, nakakaloka kasi walang studio type rito guys. 2PR agad, ganun. And bawat building ay may security guard, so very safe kayo. So ito guys, akyat muna tayo. Syempre may elevator